Welcome to this session titled Overview of Institutional Review Boards and Ethics Committees. In this video, we'll explore the role of these bodies in academic research, especially when working with human participants. Whether you're submitting your first ethics application or revisiting the process, this overview will help clarify your responsibilities. Ethics reviews are a cornerstone of responsible research. They protect the dignity, rights, and safety of participants. But they also safeguard researchers and institutions by ensuring scientific integrity. A well-conducted ethics review increases transparency, accountability, and public trust in your work. Institutional review boards, or ethics committees, are formal panels of experts. They evaluate research proposals involving human participants. Their primary goal is to ensure your research respects ethical principles and complies with applicable laws and standards. They assess potential risks, benefits, privacy safeguards, and informed consent procedures. You must obtain ethics approval before starting any study involving people, even indirectly. This includes interviews, surveys, experiments, accessing patient records, or analyzing sensitive personal data. Even minimal-risk research may require review. Ethics approval isn't optional. It's a legal and academic requirement designed to protect participants and your credibility as a researcher. The ethics application package generally includes several components. A detailed research protocol that outlines your study design and goals. Participant information sheets that clearly explain the study in plain language. Consent forms that are easy to understand and voluntary. Details on how you will handle data confidentiality and storage. And materials you'll use to recruit participants. Make sure these documents are clear, complete, and ethically sound. Once you submit your application, the Ethics Committee reviews all materials, often in a scheduled meeting. They will either approve the project, request changes, or reject it. If revisions are required, you'll need to address the concerns and resubmit. Only after full approval are you allowed to begin collecting data. Trying to bypass this process can result in serious consequences, including invalidation of your research. There are a few mistakes that commonly delay approval. One is starting your research before you have received formal approval. Another is submitting vague or incomplete documentation, especially around data protection. Make sure your consent forms are clear and not overly technical. Participants should understand exactly what they are agreeing to. And always explain how you will anonymize or securely store the data. If your project involves multiple institutions or countries, you may need more than one ethics approval. For example, if you're working with partners abroad or accessing data stored in other countries, local regulations may apply. Always check institutional and national policies in advance to avoid delays. Getting ethics approval is just the beginning. You're responsible for keeping the committee informed about major changes in the project, unexpected events, or risks. In some cases, you'll be asked to submit periodic progress reports. You must continue protecting participant privacy, securing data, and complying with your approved protocol until the project ends. IRBs and ethics committees are not bureaucratic barriers. They are collaborative partners in your research. Ethical oversight improves the quality, trustworthiness, and impact of your work. It also shows respect for those who make your research possible, your participants. By engaging thoughtfully with the review process, you demonstrate professionalism and scientific responsibility. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. We regularly post content on research ethics, data management, and best practices for academic researchers. And if you have any questions about the ethics process, feel free to leave a comment below. See you in the next session.